Tech integrated lesson plans, AI tools, simulations, management, accessibility, and digital citizenship. This is the agenda for the title slide. We got introduction and overview, AI integrated lesson plan, digital tech tool lesson plan, virtual field trip slash simulation, technology management plan, accessibility and inclusion, digital citizenship and ethical use, key takeaways, and lastly, references. For the tech integrated lesson plan, AI tools, simulation, management, and accessibility, and then as well as digital citizenship is going to be covered. For the introduction and overview, the 7th grade science ecosystem unit. So the grade level is 7th grade. The subject is science. These lessons are designed for middle school learners in science, learning about the ecosystem by relationships, population dynamics, and environmental balance. How is AI integration? AI supports brainstorming, drafting, and evidence synthesis with guidance. Some digital tools students will use collaborative and creative platforms to produce visible work. Virtual simulation, interactive experiences deepen the understanding of complex scientific systems. For management and ethic, routines, expectations, and responsible use are taught explicitly. AI integrated lesson plan. So designing a habitat advisory. 7th grade students create advice for protecting or improving habitat conditions by using ChatGPT guided prompts. Prompting supports idolation while keeping student thinking intentional. Small group evidence synthesis. Groups combine observations and research into a coherent recommendation. Scientific accuracy and citation rubric. Work is assessed for correctness, clarity, and cited evidence. Public awareness campaign. Students create an audience-facing product that communicates a science message. Canva, Flip, or Google Slides. Different tools support design, speaking, and presentation formats. For media choice with templates, students can choose a format with structured templates to reduce barriers. While going off scaffold scripts, sentence starters and planning frames help students organize their message. The final output combines visuals, audio, and clear communication for their multimedia campaign project. Virtual field trip slash simulation. The PHET simulation and Google Earth exploration. The PHET students manipulate variables to observe cause and effect relationships through Google Earth exploration. Geographic context helps students connect ecosystems to real places. Population dynamics. Students analyze how populations change within a system. NGSS MS-LS2. The work aligns with middle school ecosystem and independent standards. Lab report and reflective journal. Students document findings and explain what they learned. Technology management plan. So device check-in. A clear system tracks hardware and supports accountability. These would be routines for productive tech use. Focus task managers. Timers help students stay on task and pace their work. Tech contracts. Students agree to expectations for responsible and useful use. Monitoring tools help the teacher support progress in real time. And students practice safely before using tools in the main task. Accessibility and inclusion, how universal access supports. Text-to-speech, audio support helps students with access written content. Closed captions, caption support comprehension during video-based learning. High contrast templates, visual design improves readability and focus. UDL supports, multiple means of engagement, representation, and action are offered. Low-tech alternatives, backup pathways ensure participation when devices are unavailable. Digital citizenship and ethical use, responsible technology behavior. Cite AI-generated content. Students label where AI supported their thinking or drafting. Mini lessons on privacy. Short lessons clarify safe sharing and data protection. Respect copyright. Students use media and text in ways that honor ownership. Family guide and consent form. Families receive clear information and participation expectations. Obtain consent. Students seek permission before sharing work or images. Key takeaways. What matters most? The guided choice increases rigor. Structured options let students personalize without lowering expectations. Using AI as a thinking tool. AI supports planning and revision rather than replacing student thought. Accessibility is non-negotiable. Inclusive design is part of lesson planning, not an add-on. Ethics must be explicit. Responsible use needs direct instruction and consistent routine. Continue learning prompt pedagogy. Teachers refine prompts and structures through practice and reflection. These are the references I used.